Okay, so this is about how to make some Turkish coffee in a camper. The thing you really need for that is about a 24-ounce tall pot, so that we'll be able to boil the coffee once it comes ready to boiling. The other thing that I have is some Turkish ground coffee that I got at Starbucks. Nearly all the Starbucks will grind it that way. The important part is to make sure that the coffee comes to a rolling boil. That's what makes the coffee grounds sink in the finished cup. First you see it boiling on the sides, and it's like a lava kind of thing. You watch it, comes up, and it froths. And that is how you make velvety Turkish coffee. Another way to make Turkish coffee is to make it in the microwave, and it's real simple. Start out with a cup and a quarter of water. Put that into a microwave for about a minute and a half or two. The idea is to get the water up near boiling temperature. And then, as you'll see, I'll use a heaping soup spoon of coffee that I'll mix in, and then put it back in the microwave. Heaping spoonful of coffee. Stir it around until it's nearly dissolved. And then again, to make the grounds sink, it's necessary to put it back in the microwave for about a minute, maybe a little less. Need to watch it carefully during this time period, because it's going to boil up and nearly fill the cup. And while it's still nice and froth, pour it into a cup and go rinse out the Pyrex. And that's the reason for the Pyrex, because you're going to be using probably cold water to wash it out. And that's how I make Turkish coffee.